Welcome to the next phase of the Introduction to Data Science for the Built Environment edX course. In this set of videos, we will be stepping into the operations and maintenance phase of buildings. We will be looking at ways that data science can be used to analyze information related to the satisfaction of occupants. The operations phase occurs after construction and when the building is open to its users. Occupants have started to use the spaces and all of the systems are running as designed. Professionals from this phase are focused on the monitoring and maintenance of the building systems in order to keep occupants happy and healthy. To do this, professionals are tasked with finding and addressing various types of faults that might occur in the building. Things like broken air handling unit fan blades or burned out light bulbs are simple examples of the numerous things that can break in a building. If there are failures in a building, the occupants are often left with suboptimal conditions, and they may find themselves unsatisfied in the building. There are various ways that the occupants can communicate these situations. The first is through what's called hot or cold calls. This is when a person picks up a phone and calls the operations team to let them know that they're not happy. The next way is through the use of a post-occupancy evaluation survey. This survey is usually sent out by email, and people respond to a long set of questions to give feedback about how they feel on the inside of the building. The most modern way is known as a continuous digital assessment. This method uses data from environmental quality IoT sensors that is combined with digitally gathered feedback from occupants. In any of these methods, the occupants are essentially giving information on whether they feel comfortable or not. This type of insight helps operations professionals decide whether something is broken or whether they need to make changes to the system. This analysis is essentially a statistical investigation of the population of occupants, where there's a variety of different preferences according to each person's physiological and psychological perspectives. These distributions of data are what we will focus on in this set of videos. There are several pandas functions and visualization techniques that can help us analyze data in this way.